Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also included is the AMG Sportline package, which gives you an AMG exterior and interior look. 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Also the night package, which is going to give you a blacked out exterior trim, black MBTEX interior, sunroof. Coming around back, this one does come with the hands-free access package, which gives you a simple swipe and the trunk opens up, which is really convenient when you're carrying groceries or loading anything in the rear. A set of AMG floor mats, another swipe to shut. Also included is the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, dark brown linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, got our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 26,522 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.